What's up YouTube? Dougie Chong here. Welcome to today's video where we're going to be unboxing some Shining Fates Pokemon cards. Now this isn't really an investment video, it's more for fun, although a lot of people do use Pokemon as an investment. I have 4 boxes here. But this one has the Charizard inside. It's got 2 of the Charizard artworks. Let's open this up. Alright, after much struggles, we got the box open. We got the Pikachu and the Jumbo Pikachu here. We have 4 packs here, 2 Charizards, 1 Corviknight, Toxicity. I don't even know what this Pokemon is really. We'll save the 2 Charizards for last. They feel about the same. I don't know. Let's start with this guy because I don't really know what his name is. Ooh, these packs don't open as nice, but we already got some good packs from the ETB. Starting with a Horsey. That's pretty cool how like this pack of cards right here could have a Charizard in it. I like how we got that. Pikachu's in the background. Alright, let's get this in focus here. Here we've got Horsey. I didn't do the card trick. Let's do it. Oh, go guard. Set that aside. Do 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go with Water Energy or maybe Psychic. There's usually a lot of Psychic. Leaf Energy. Rusted Sword. Rotom. Focus, Dartrix, Coughing, Shinx, not Shinex, Spinarak. Is this no reverse holo next? I think the Charizard is actually in the reverse holo spot, so this could be a Charizard. Nope, still one more, but maybe no. Reverse holo Weezing, reverse, not even a shiny. Maybe some nice VMAX. No, there's nothing here. Yanmega, and a reverse holo Galarian Weezing. Alright, that's a quarter of our packs right there. We'll go on to the Corviknight second. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go with if I just keep guessing, Water Energy, Psychic Energy. 2 Leaf Energies in a row. That's what we're happening in this video. Luxio, Team Yell Towel, Gym Trainer, Cacnea, Nickit, Buzzle, has so many of these. Morpeko, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Reverse holo next maybe? Oh my goodness, the printing on this is just awful. What is that in the corner? It's just like some black spots. I don't know if you can see it. I'll put these down. It's not focusing up. I don't know, there's just some black dots in the corner of the card. Yeah, I guess you can see it from here. Oh, there's just a regular shiny. I kind of spoiled it. There's Eevee, Snom, and Galarian. We got reverse holo Galarian Weezing, and then holo Galarian Weezing. It's probably the worst box of all time here. But we still have the 2 Charizards left. We'll go with this one. Feels a bit lighter maybe. Let's go with this one. See if I can open one pack nicely here. Nope, none of them open. Alright. It's gotta be Leaf Energy then, right? All Leaf Energies. That's all that there is. Fighting Energy. Rusted Sword, Cramorant, Tropius, Rowlet, Spinarak, Horsey, some shiny please, Morpeko, Coughing. Is that the reverse Yanmega? We did not even get one shiny. It's a very disappointing box overall. Alright, last pack magic. Let's get that Charizard. It'll be in that second last spot. Got Koufont. Whoop. Code card. So at least guess an energy, right? Maybe psychic energy, right? Fighting. 2 fighting and 2 leaf energies. Gym Trainer, Luxio, Eldegoss, Q-Font, Rowlet, Gossifleur, Coughing. Let's go with Charizard. Here, Buzzle, of course. So many of them, and a reverse holo. I think there was something nice. Oh, it's a V card. At least we got 1 V card. Let's go with Ditto. Come on, Ditto V Max. Ditto V. Not bad. Stick on. It's a nice card. It doesn't really make it worth it, but got a Ditto V here. Alright, we're gonna open 1 more Pikachu box just because that box was completely trash. Kind of hate these boxes just because how hard it is to get the packs out. We got 3 Dragapults and 1 Corviknight. This one actually just feels a lot thicker than the rest of them. Gonna guess with the good Leaf Energy. Oh, we got it. We got the energy. Got Luxio here. Rusted Sword. Rotom. Eevee. Morpeko. Yanma. Choodle. I think the reverse holo. So we gotta call the Charizard. Always one off. Q-Font. Here's the Charizard, guaranteed. It's a Charizard VMAX Professor's Research. I don't even know. Ooh, Luxray. Got a holo at least. Alright, one pack. 3 Dragapults. This guy looks very high. Nope, these packs do not open nicely. Got that Snom. Oh, there's something shiny back there. Something very shiny, but not the Charizard, but Snom. Oh, I didn't even do the card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy or something like that. Let's go with Leaf Energy. We got metal, but we got something shiny in this pack. Rusted Sword. Float Soul, not Buzzle. Guess it evolves from Buzzle. Gym Trainer. Oh, what is that card? Yanma? Morpeko? I'm so glad we decided to open another box, unless it's not that good. Yanma. Choodle. Okay, it's the next card. I think it's a Ditto VMAX. It has to be Ditto VMAX. Shiny! Rillaboom V. Shiny. It's probably one of the better shiny cards you can get in the set. I don't even care what's behind it. Yanmega. Rillaboom V. Let's go. Centering is definitely not good on it, but we'll take a shiny. Rillaboom V. Got the Pikachus in the back. Very nice indeed. Still have 2 packs left. That is good. That is my first Elite Trainer box. I really enjoyed opening that. The first box, Pikachu box, was not very good, but this one's making up for it. Got more Peko again. Got so many of these guys. Let's do the card trick. Guess a Psychic Energy. Yeah. Fire for the Charizard. Let's go. Got Luxio, Gym Trainer, Tropius, Morpeko, Rowlet, Spinarak, Horsey. Is the shinies next? Maybe it's a shiny. Morpeko. Is there 2 Morpekos in this? How many more Morpekos can we get? I think it's the shiny. Oh, so water. Oh, is that a shiny? SV Arctofish. We got a shiny here. 2 shinies. This makes up for that other one. It's always Yanmega in the back. Got 2 shinies in this one box. I knew it. I knew not to go for the Charizard art. Arctofish. Fish? Not bad. Shiny indeed. SV37. Oh, let's hope for a really good pack in the last one. Starting off, oh, there's or was that just the side of the pack? I don't know if I saw anything. Really bad at opening these. Oh, there's something somewhat shiny. It's definitely not like Charizard level shiny, but there's something back there. Psychic Energy, Rusted Sword, Cramorant, Tropius, not even on the screen. Gossifleur, Eevee Swimming, Nickets, Morpeko, Rowlet. Oh, it's just a Horsey. This is what I saw. There's nothing here. And Indeedee Hollow. But from this box, we got Rillaboom V and Arctovish Shiny. It's half of this box. But then again, we didn't get a single shiny in the other box. So it is about 1 in 3 packs, I think, you get a shiny Pokemon. That's it for the unboxing, guys. This is more of a fun video, not really an investment video. But as you can see, I've left some of the packages sealed. And if you leave the packages sealed, they're almost guaranteed to go up in value if you buy it at retail price. Also, an interesting investment strategy is that a lot of these cards right on the launch, they're going to be 2 or 3 times what they're actually worth. So if we did happen to pull that Charizard pretty much on opening day, it sells for right around $800 now and is almost surely to fall down to about $500 in a few weeks. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Please leave a like if this video helped you at all. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. See you in the next video.